Well, welcome to Wisdom Wednesday in the Glass Studio. I think I've mentioned before to you about solder sleeves, but we're going to talk a little bit more about them today. The reason that I bring it up is because I have these little marks on my arms because I was leaning against this window, and I thought to myself, why am I doing that? And so I washed it really good because it was starting to sting. And I got out my solder sleeves. Now we named them solder sleeves because you can just put them on your arms like this while you're soldering, and then that protects your arms. And it, well, except right there. Let's turn this. And they are just really good, and they work. And so then I can lean over, and then while I'm soldering, then you can see, just in case I have to lean over, that I'm not in the flux. It's the flux that really stings after a while. And so you need to go and wash that off. So this is really a good thing to use. Now, as I showed you, these are kind of getting a little worn. And so I found an old sweater, and I was going to show you how to make your own. So I found the sweater that I was going to give away anyway because there's a little hole in the sleeve and there are stains on it, and even though it's really soft, it was one of my favorites. But anyway, it's going to be still one of my favorite things. So I use a sleeve, and so this is going to be the top, and that's going to go up on, toward the shoulder, and then this will be down by the wrist. So I'm just going to chop this off. Okay, and then what I can do is my sewing machine is downstairs. So what I will do, I'll just fold this around and then just take just one little stitch around all of it. So then it won't have a rough edge there. And then I can just put it on there. This one isn't as tight as the other one, but I can keep looking for other material that I can use, but this is going to really feel nice. And in the winter, it keeps your arms warm too.
Could you use like an elastic on that piece as you fold it over so that it would be tighter, or would that hurt your arm, cut off your circulation?
Oh, I guess you could. I probably wouldn't because it's not necessary and it's just more work. But if I were going to sell them or something like that, then I'd probably put an elastic up there. Good idea.
Do poker players put sleeves on or something? Haven't you ever seen that in a movie? I don't know if it really happens.
Or they have kind of an elastic here, like a garter.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know about that. So that's for the technical kind of a thing. So give that a try and make yourself some solder sleeves. Send me a picture if you'd like, and we'll see if that helps these little marks that you get at the end of the day after you've been soldering. So thanks for being with me tonight, and have a wonderful Wednesday. And be sure to follow, and we'd love to hear from you.
Okay.